Hey Cali gang, so today we're gonna make stuffed bell peppers, and I got this recipe from TikTok, so don't come for me. And they've been actually coming out very good. So I got my ground turkey, I got my spaghetti sauce, can of tomatoes, and this one has garlic, basil, and oregano in it, so I might not need as much seasoning, tomato paste, and then I got bell peppers, and what else? Oh, I need cheese, and I have cheese. So yeah, let's get to it. Oh yeah, and I forgot rice. I have rice, jasmine rice to be exact. But yeah, so I'm gonna start the boiling water, cook the meat, and cut the bell peppers. So yeah, let's get to it. Sorry, lighting was just bad for a second. All right, and first, after I clean the bell peppers, I'm gonna cut the tops off and then cut around the top part where the green thing is, and basically cut up the remaining part of the bell pepper. So basically, I use the whole bell pepper, but the stem. Alright, and now I'm just getting all my seasonings together. Got my olive oil, pepper, garlic, salt, onion powder, pepper. I'm gonna set that aside and then look over here, and I got the rice going. I'm gonna stir it a little bit. Alright, and now I'm gonna cook the meat, spray the pan, season the meat, so let that cook for a minute, and then the rice is gonna cook and be done in a second. Let's get to it. Alright, the meat is about done and the rice is about done. So let's get to adding the now it's time to add the tomatoes, tomato paste, and spaghetti sauce. No, I don't have exact measurements. I kind of just eyeball it, and I almost always have extra stuff like the stuffing afterwards, so I'll literally eat this for like a few days after. So don't come for me, the portions are not measured, and it's not, yeah, kind of just freestyle it. So let's get it. Alright, and now I'm adding the cooked rice to the stuffed bell pepper stuffing mix. I'm gonna stir it up, put the bell peppers in the little container I have over there, and I actually got that container from my container actually came with my air fryer. You're supposed to use them to make like cookies, brownies, and like cakes and stuff in the air fryer, but I actually use it to make stuffed bell peppers with. So yeah, let's finish it up. Alright, and as you can see, I obviously switched pans because the one that I had was obviously too small and my portions are definitely a bit off, but yeah, it always comes out good. I always have extras for lunch for a few days, so that's always good. But yeah, let's get to stuffing the bell peppers. Also, I can't forget cheese. That's like very important. Gotta cheese it up. Alright, and now I'm placing the bell peppers in the container, filling them up with the stuffing, and put some cheese over it, and then put it in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes, and then uncover the container, and then put it back in for another 20 minutes just to get the cheese nice and melty. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it, and be back with a finished result. Also, I cannot forget, I always have to add a little bit of water to the bottom of the container before cooking, just so everything cooks nice, it stays moist, it doesn't get dry or burn. But yeah, that's the explanation for the water in the container under the bell peppers. primer went off. I'm gonna take it, well, not really take it out, but I'm gonna take it out, take the foil off, and then put it back in for about another 20 minutes, and then it should be ready to go. So I'll be back with the finished product. Alright, this is the finished product. Let me know if you're gonna try the recipe. I also sometimes add an onion into the recipe, but yeah, I didn't do that this time. But yeah, stay safe and blessed, Cali gang. Let me know what you guys thought. Mwah.